Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to do installation of PuTTY. Let me just give you brief about the PuTTY. If you are working on a Linux operating system or any Linux server, and if you want to connect the Linux server or Linux operating system remotely, then we use PuTTY. The PuTTY is a software that is used to connect Linux server remotely. In the upcoming classes, we are going to work on the PuTTY itself. We are going to connect Linux operating system remotely over PuTTY, and all what are the work we can do on the Linux operating system in the GUI we can do from the PuTTY itself. Okay, so let's install the PuTTY and do the installation of PuTTY. If you want to do the installation of PuTTY, just go to the Google Chrome and just write download PuTTY. First, that the link that putty.org will come. Just click on it. You will get here download PuTTY. Just click on download PuTTY. You go if your Windows is 64-bit and then just and you are working on it. Most of the case it is just 64-bit. Then you have to download this. If your Windows is 32-bit, then you have to download this. So let's download this file. Now my downloading has been started. Now it is downloaded. Just click once it is download, just click on the file. It will start installation. You can see installation has been started. Just click on next. Here you have to choose the location where we want to install the PuTTY. I don't want to install the PuTTY in C drive because I don't have much space in C drive. So I want to install into the here in the Linux folder. So let's install here the PuTTY itself. Let me make the one more folder here like the PuTTY, and let me choose this folder. So let's give the this folder name and click on next. Here everything you can keep it just by default. There is nothing, no need to make the customization. Just click on install. It will start installation. You can see lots of file here came here and just click on freeze. My PuTTY installation has been done. Once you go to the search box and write here PuTTY, you can see the PuTTY has came here. Here it will be open like that. Here you have to give the server name or the IP address of the server. Here port, if you are using the Linux server, it will be a 22. Here which type of connection you want to make. Most of the case it is the SSH, and once you click on open, it will connect to the that host name or IP address which you want to connect. In the upcoming classes, I am going to show you how we can connect using the PuTTY to the Linux server. Okay, so hope this will be interesting. If you have any doubt, again you can ask me. Thank you for watching the video.